Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Peloton how to stack classes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Stacking classes on Peloton allows you to queue up to 10 on-demand workouts. So to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Peloton app, and then once inside, be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is first select a class, browse the on-demand library and choose the class you want to add. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is select from the options given to you, and then once you're inside the class details, here you'll find an icon that is stack. Simply tap on that and hit that. Selected class will be stacked. You can continue adding up to 10 classes to your stack. Then simply tap on the stack icon to view and rearrange your classes. You can delete or record them as needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.